Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I just want to show you guys how you can actually copy trade somebody that is a professional in the crypto space, um, because sometimes it's even more profitable for you to copy trade somebody that actually knows how to trade already. All you just need to do on your own is to take profits, but majorly you need to look or search for somebody that is very good at it, because it's not everybody that does copy trading that is good at it. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. Mind you, this is Bityard. Bityard, they actually have a copy trading system in their platform. So what you do when you get here is just to click on get started. For you to get to the right link, you have to make sure that you click the link below this video so that you'll be on the right website. Okay, there are a whole lot of scam website out there. So for you to get to the real website, which is called bityard.com, you have to click the link below this video, then it brings you here. Okay, when you get here, you just go through their normal registration. Registration is not that difficult. It's a simple kind of registration. Even without you doing your KYC on Bityard, you can actually trade, copy trade, and do whatever you want to do. But it's just that when you do your KYC, it gives you more advantages. Okay, so you just put in your email address. Okay, let's get to it. You put in your email address. You get your verification code. They will send the verification code to you. Then you come down here. It's verifying. I'll get verified here. Then after that, I come down here, then click on started. Then it will bring me here. Okay, it will bring me to this particular interface. When you are on this interface, there are a whole lot of things you can do here, but first and foremost, let me show you some of the benefits and bonuses you will get as someone that is signing up newly on this platform. You can get $1 USD just for you setting your username. You can get another $1 when you put in your phone number, okay, with your email address. Then you can get another 2 USD when you just demo trade. Just for you to demo trade, they will give you extra $2, okay, before you can even decide to do that, before start putting money into your accounts. This is the demo trade interface. Okay, so when you are on this particular place, what you need to do is that you go to, excuse me, let me take you to, okay, so when you're on this interface, what you need to do is to copy. The internet seems to be a bit slow. Okay, so when you are here, because you are here to do copy trading, you click on this link. You can see this place that says copy trade. When you click on it, it's going to load and it's going to show you the professionals that are trading here that you can follow. Okay, now this is the interface of the copy traders. Okay, so you can see when you come up here, it will show you ratio 30 days. That is if you want to filter to know what exactly you want. Win rate 30 days, accumulated followers, and profit rate. For me, what I do, because I'm just using this particular accounts for this tutorial. In my own very account, what I do is that I click on profit rates. Okay, when you click on profit rate, it brings you here. Then it shows you that in this last 30 days, okay, this person has a percentage of 5,686.3%. Okay, his win rate, get this, his win rate is 84.88%. Okay, then his profits is 212.6%. Okay, then also you look at, he has been on this platform. It's going to show you here, is going to show you the numbers of days this person has been on this platform, and it's very advisable that you follow somebody that has been on the platform for a while and his winning rate is high, right? There are three basic things you consider before you follow someone here, before you follow a trader here. You look at the win rates, you look at the numbers of days the person has been on the platform, and thirdly, you look at his profit rate. Okay, so now you can see that his win rate is 84.88%, and his profit rate is 212.61%. Okay, for me that is good. And you look at his followers, he has about 3,808 followers. That tells you that a lot of people are following these guys because this guy is good at his trade. Okay, you can see some other ones also here. You see, this guy is also good. He has spent just 204 days on this platform. Oh, he has not even taken in the last 30 days he has not traded. Okay, but his profit so far is 3,730 that he has profited from his trade prior to the last 30 days. Okay, you can see this one 183 trade days that he has spent on this platform. He has in the last 30 days he has traded 154 times, and his accumulated followers is 1,806. But look at his profit rate. His profit rate is so high. Okay, so you can decide to follow somebody like this. Let me show you the kind of people that you should be wary of following. You shouldn't follow. Okay, when you come down here, I'll show you the kind of people that you shouldn't follow on this platform. You can see this guy has been on this platform for the past 175 days. In the last 30 days, he has traded 12 times. His followers is 9, and look at his profit rate is on the negative. Okay, this guy has not made profit in the last 30 days. So this kind of a person, you should not follow this kind of a person. Okay, you shouldn't follow all those ones that are on negative. You can see they are all on negative. So the best thing to do is to go with this profit rates. Okay, you go with this profit rate like I rightly showed you. Then when you do that, then the next thing you do is to copy trade. When you copy trade, it shows you these fixed accounts and fixed ratio. As somebody that is starting out, I strongly advise you that you start with fixed accounts. Then this fixed account, please set your crypto amount. Now if you put $20, that means that you are saying you want to trade with $20. Okay, you put $20, it's going to say okay, you want to trade with $20. Then this margin rate, you can leave it at this 1,200 USD. Is just the daily copy margin. Okay, then you click on copy. Okay, when you click on copy, automatically you begin to follow this person. So what that actually means is this: if this guy makes profit, you are also going to make profit. Okay, if he makes profit, you're going to make profit. When you click, because this is a demo account on this particular, I don't really have fund on this particular account. When you click on this copy, you automatically begin to follow these guys, and he makes profit, you make profit. Then on the other side, you'll be able to set your stop loss. You might decide to put it on 50. If you're trading with this $20 now, if you put your stop loss at 50, it means that if you lose $10, you will automatically be taken out of the trade. Okay, but if you put your let's say your stop loss at 20%, okay, that means if you lose 20% of your capital, the trade will actually take you out. So in that case, it will be very difficult for you to blow your account. You can't wipe off your account because you are fully in control of the account. And one other beautiful thing about copy trading on Bityard is that you can decide to close your copy trade at any time. You can decide to unfollow whoever that you've been following. You say you don't want to follow this person again, you can unfollow the person, and your money will be credited into your account on Bityard. Okay, so I just should show you this as a beginner or as an intermediate trader or a crypto enthusiast that wants to trade without you putting that effort yourself. You can look out for somebody like this that is very good, that is very profitable in the trade, and you can copy them and begin to trade. Now if you find value in this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and click the notification button so that when next I post another video, you'll be the first to get to see it. I really appreciate you for taking your time to watch this video, and bye bye.